Can you just explain what kind of dance is this?
Hello. Before I answer the question, I'd like to say thank you to everyone for being here. Thank you for the opportunity that we have to share our talents with you, and of course, for us to witness the talents that you have prepared for us as well. And thank you to God for this opportunity. So the meaning behind our dance is it is actually performed by the northern tribes or people from the Philippines, especially the Igorots. This dance are being performed for occasions wherein there are festivities. Mostly after farming wherein they gather all their harvest to give thanks, of course, to God for the bountiful blessings. And this shows that whatever seasons we have in our lives, we are in the process of sowing, farming, we encounter difficulties, problems, or even on the time that we are harvesting our efforts and our hard work, God always walks with His people, and that we need to thank Him for everything.
Wow, that's good. Thank you so much. Let's give them a hand. Thank you. Right? The dreamers. Right. They have said it very rightfully that God always walk with His people. And He always celebrate, regardless whether we are planting, we are sowing.
Okay. Okay. Okay na. Nanay, go
Whether,
back.
regardless whether we are the one